India has 2 lakh plus housing societies with crores of residents living in them. Way back in 2009, Adda pioneered the housing society management category in India with a vision of running these mini cities better, along with providing convenient and secure living to its residents. Today, Adda is one of the world's most trusted community management platforms, used across 90 plus cities in India and 6 plus countries including the USA, UAE, Singapore, Oman and Mauritius, also winning recognition like Gartner Category Leader, Best PropTech ERP Awards from Economic Times, World Realty Congress Dubai and many more.
Today we speak with Sam Banerjee, co-founder and CEO of Adda. After stepping away from a career at SAP, post her MBA from Louisiana State University, she has spent the last 15 years deeply immersed in building solutions, which today is impacting millions living in residential communities across India and the world. She brings in some rare insights which make this conversation worth listening to. Do be with us till the end.
We are software. We are like, Salesforce software, HubSpot, जो भी आप सोचिए, SAP and all that, right? We are a software for streamlining operations. You tell me which other software shows जो आप workplace में use करते होगे. Which other software is showing ads like Google, Facebook and all? Because it's a totally different segment altogether.
मेरा favorite topic, management committee. People, they are unpaid volunteers. They do the most thankless job. They manage crores of rupees and they can also face legal, financial, अगर कुछ problem हो गया तो legally भी they are liable for it. Today, according to you, what's the biggest challenge they face that nobody talks about? Let's come to what it is right now. Fast forward to today. I've got the stats, very interesting. 2 million users. अरे बहुत लोग होते हैं यार. 10 countries में आप लोग का you have your presence. You are in one of my favorite cities, Dubai, and one of my favorite buildings that I love, Princess Towers. उसके अलावा कोई दुबई में और कोई fancy building में आप हो?
Well, like I told you, the KN Tower.
KL Tower. That's a long way from convincing uncles and aunties of Mumbai to get to Adda and closing software transaction, like you're getting people from high-end societies to Adda. What was the turning point?
Of going international?
Of everything, like for Adda present एकदम last 4-5 साल में आपको turning point कौन सा लगता है? Going international भी हो सकता है, going to some new tier 2 tier 3 city which you thought it was not very much easy but you cracked it. ऐसा recent time में what was the turning point for the company?
I think ना हमारा turning point तब था जब हमारे investors ने बोला और पैसा नहीं देंगे. Okay. So till then we were like, oh, so we are this typical, like e-commerce-ish kind of a software. And मतलब हमें पता नहीं था हम कौन है. Who are we? I mean, we were told कि okay, ये software है, लेकिन you know what? It's different. It's got communication, all that. It's got users. Like you said, wow, so many users. Okay, you've got HNI users, super HNI users, right? What can you not sell to them? तो हम भी सोचते अच्छा ठीक है तो यही है शायद that this business is this, right? We can sell so many things to the society residents, right? However, and all that can happen only when you're funding. कि आप सॉफ्टवेयर भी बना रहे हो, इधर आप मार्केट प्लेस भी बना रहे हो, इधर आप एडवर्टाइजिंग भी कर रहे हो, right? All that needs big funds. Now, once our angel investors said कि we're not putting any more money, right? Because things were not going the way they expected it to go, right? In the sense कि all the advertising and all that stuff. And when we tried to raise further fund from VCs, they said, देखो, we can give you a blank check. आप amount लिख लो, but give the software free. Give the software free and monetize the residents, right? Show them advertisement and do all that. And we said, okay, we can do that. And then the VC says, we don't see conviction in your eyes. Okay? हमें भी पता था अंदर कि we are trying to bluff to the VCs because हमारा उसमें heart नहीं है. We were in there for solving the main problem, right? And similarly, there are many VCs who told us कि you guys are too much in love with the problem of the MC. तो आपसे ये जो other things नहीं होगा, right? And people even told us कि you guys are sitting on a oil field digging for water. मतलब क्या आपके पास इतने लोगों का डेटा है?
मेरा next question वही था.
हाँ, तो आपके पास इतने लोगों का डेटा है बट यू ट्राइंग टू सेल दम सॉफ्टवेयर, कितना पैसा बनाओगे, राइट? सो वी आर कंसिडर्ड द फूल्स इन द इंडस्ट्री, मे बी टुडे ऑल्सो वी आर, राइट? But that's where our investors, current investors, say, okay, no more money. Then we had no other choice but to focus on one thing and do it well. So then we are not trying to build a marketplace and all these things. We are only building the software, the best software that will help us, present Adda as better than the competition, sell in India, wherever else possible. Because there's no other revenue stream you can do.
बट मेरा एक काउंटर उस पर ये भी होगा कि गूगल और फेसबुक दे आर लाइक वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट कंपनीज. अगर वो लोग कर सकते हैं एडवर्टाइजमेंट, वो लोग कर सकते हैं लाइक ऑल द जैज टू बी व्हाट दे आर टुडे, तो अपन क्यों नहीं करता? अड्डा क्यों नहीं करता?
Because we are not Google, Facebook. We are not a content company. We are not a social media company. We are not a search company. We are software. We are like, Salesforce software, HubSpot, जो भी आप सोचिए, SAP and all that, right? We are a software for streamlining operations. You tell me which other software shows जो आप workplace में use करते होगे, which other software is showing ads like Google, Facebook and all? Because it's a totally different segment altogether. So ये हमको self realization later हुआ, and I think that was the turning point when we had the guts to say कि भाई हम यही हैं, yes we are in love with it, and yes we want to make it globally best. So I think that's the turning point.
Okay. San, I am a layman. Okay. There are your competitors who have raised a lot of money. वो सब फ्री में भी बहुत चीजें दे रहे हैं. सोसाइटी, अगर मेरा एज अ सोसाइटी मेंबर मैं उनको सिलेक्ट कर रहा हूं जस्ट इन केस, या मैं क्या मिस आउट कर रहा हूं? मुझे मेरा एक अगर स्ट्रेट अगर आपको क्वेश्चन है कि मैं अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन सब वहां पे एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल, व्हाट एम आई मिसिंग?
That's a very deep question.
यस.
All right.
मुद्दे की बात मुझे आपसे करनी है कि मतलब जेन्युइन मेरा लॉस क्या है, या मैं क्या नहीं देख पा रहा हूं एज अ लेमैन व्हेन आई एम सिलेक्टिंग समथिंग एल्स एंड नॉट अड्डा.
राइट. देखिए, जब आप आज तक जो भी वट एवर एप्स यू आर यूजिंग, चिंतन, यू आर यूजिंग वॉलंटरली. यू आर डिसाइडिंग कि मुझे फेसबुक यूज करना है, ब्लिंकिट यूज करना है, ज़ेप्टो यूज, वट एवर, राइट? एंड इफ यू डोंट लाइक एनी ऑफ दीज एप्स, यू अनइंस्टॉल इट. काम खत्म. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूज इट, राइट? तो आपको कंपेल किया जाता है टू यूज एनी एप्स? यस, इन 3 cases. ओके, फर्स्ट इज अ गवर्नमेंट ऐप. आप सोच लो, जैसे एम परिवहन ऐप और जो भी है, दैट इज द वन ऐप वेर यू विल बी एबल टू सी योर चलान्स एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ, मेक पेमेंट. डू यू सी एड्स देयर? डू यू हैव पीपल कॉलिंग यू वाया दैट कि ये खरीदो, वो खरीदो? No, because a government app, right?
You can trust them.
You can trust them. Second, जहाँ पे ये होता है, is your kids का स्कूल या कॉलेज का जो भी ERP पोर्टल, ERP ऐप होता है,
जो करना ही पड़ता है. You don't have an
exactly. So you have to use that app to see their exam results, PTM dates, all these things, right? Do you see ads on it? Can you ever imagine कि via that आपका डेटा कोई यूज करके आपको कॉल करेगा कि ये खरीदो, वो खरीदो, whatever? No, that doesn't happen. Third, where you're compelled to use is your workplace app. Workplace में जो भी आपका attendance का app, leave application, policies and all, right? Do you see ads on that? Can you imagine कि आपका ऑफिस बोल रहा है, मुझे एक्स्ट्रा इनकम करना है, मेरे एम्प्लॉइज का डेटा मैं यूज करूंगा फॉर एडवर्टाइजिंग, फॉर मेकिंग? No workplace will be a trusted and a credible organization that way. The fourth place where you're compelled is your society app. आपका चॉइस नहीं है.
मुझे if I want to be part of the society, I don't have an option.
You don't have an option.
जो सोसाइटी बोलेगा यूज करने को मुझे करना ही पड़ेगा.
Correct. You will have to use the app the society uses. नहीं तो आपका डिलीवरी रुक जाएगा गेट पे, है ना? आपके गेस्ट नहीं आ पाएंगे आपको मीट करने के लिए.
Like I'll give you an example. Like in a few societies I know, if you have a problem with just changing a light and you put it in the WhatsApp group, it's not allowed. You have to put it in that app.
Correct. And which is good. That is how it should be. That is how a society can streamline all their operations. तो जब society को compel करना है to all their residents कि मैं जो app choose कर रहा हूँ वही आपको use करना है, it is their responsibility कि they keep their residents' data safe on that system they are choosing. Not get, बहकावे नहीं आ जाए कि नहीं ये भी करेंगे, चलो एडवर्टाइज करते हैं लोगों का, let's make this extra income by using their data. See, a society has many better ways of making extra income. Your elevators, brands love elevator advertising, elevator lobby advertising, right? वो सब छोड़ के आप 7-inch screen, उस पे आप, मारामारी चल रही है कि residents को कैसे, you know, let's make it a puzzle.
Yeah.
How
Because-
to find society notice.
Because anyone, though he's in the elevator, he's on his phone.
Not true, not always.
Most of the time, people are on
Well,
their
a lot
phone.
of elevators don't have signal actually, so it's not.
हाँ, but you know, you can go through your.
Block it all the elevator.
But क्या क्या मतलब I also want to again understand क्या गलत हो सकता है आपके साथ if your data goes to XYZ company.
Recently, Chintan, a friend of mine, she has just relocated, my age, working lady. She just relocated to Bangalore. She's living in a large community, 3,000 unit township, very well maintained, high end community. This lady, she tells me, just some 3-4 weeks back, she's getting a call, okay, on her number. And it's from a stranger from Gurgaon. कि मैडम सो ये आपका नाम है, आई एम कॉलिंग यू एट योर दिस नंबर एंड दिस इज योर हाउस नंबर. शी सेज यस बट हु आर यू एंड हाउ डिड यू गेट दिस. तो वो बोल रही है मुझे कि सैन मेरा सर घूम गया क्योंकि स्पैमर्स के पास हमारा फ़ोन नंबर रहता है, हाउस नंबर नहीं रहता है. इसको मुझे घर का पता कैसे पता. ओके तो मैडम ये आपका घर का डिटेल है, मैं कल आपको 8:30 बजे मिलने आऊँगा. शी इज़ लाइक हु द हेल आर यू एंड वाई वुड यू कम टू मीट मी. मैडम मुझे आपको फ्री प्रोडक्ट सैंपल देना है. शी इज़ लाइक how more
very freaky and
unsafe,
scary, but-
how more unsafe can I feel, right? Living anywhere, okay? Then I asked this person कि आपको ये सब डिटेल कैसे मिला मेरा. तो बोलता आपकी सोसाइटी ने दिया. बोलता है अरे व्हाट बकवास, आई डोंट बिलीव यू, मेरा सोसाइटी ऐसा कर नहीं सकता है, राइट? सो ऐसे नो 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 वी हैड डन सम स्टॉल देयर एंड ऑल. तो सोसाइटी ने हमको सारा रेसिडेंट का डेटा दिया हुआ है. तो वो दिस लेडी, ओके, शी कम्स फ्रॉम अ फैमिली ऑफ IPS ऑफिसर्स, IAS ऑफिसर्स, सो शी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट ऑल क्राइम्स कैन हैपन. शी वॉज सुपर अलार्म्ड, ओके. सो उसने हाफ डे लीव लेके जाके मिली सोसाइटी ऑफिस में, बोली कि ऐसा ये मेरा कॉल आया है, आई हैव द नंबर एंड एवरीथिंग. बोल रहा है आप लोगों ने नंबर दिया है, डिटेल दिया है, मेरा घर का पता एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड हाउ कैन दे गेट एक्सेस, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स ये सब है. पता है मैडम वो हमारे सोसाइटी ऐप कुछ करते हैं ऐसा पार्टनरशिप, तो उसके वाया गया होगा. मतलब सोसाइटी को पता भी है. सो दिस लेडी शी इज आस्किंग मी कि सैन व्हाट शुड आई डू, आई कैन सू माई सोसाइटी. ना सोसाइटी बोल रहा है आइंदा से नहीं होगा मैडम, हम लोग उनको वार्निंग दे देंगे. व्हाट डू यू मीन आइंदा? ऑलरेडी ऑल माई
Already चला
डिटेल.
गया.
वो कितने को बेच रहा है किसको पता है. So she's still figuring out how she can address this. So this level of lack of safety you are exposing your residents to, is it worth it? क्या नहीं हो सकता है around this?
I think a lot of people will also reach out to, like, you know, I think ये अपना next podcast का question होना चाहिए, but मुझे अभी पूछना है. आज मेरा सोसाइटी मेंबर्स ने डिसाइड कर दिया, जो कमिटी ने, और आज मुझे रियलाइज हुआ ये गलत है. 10, 15, 20, 25 लोग हैं आउट ऑफ 100 who have realized, और 70% लोगों को तो पता ही नहीं क्या चल रहा है. यूजुअली दैट इज व्हाट हैपेंस. तो वो लोग क्या कर सकते हैं वो वाले केस में?
देखिए दैट इज वेयर देयर इज अ DPDP एक्ट कमिंग फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट, राइट? दैट गिव्स क्लियर ऑप्ट इन एंड ऑप्ट आउट.
ओके,
ठीक है. अच्छा सोसाइटी आपने ये लिया है, इस पे एडवर्टाइजमेंट होता है, रेसिडेंट का डेटा कहीं पे भी जा सकता है. यू विल आस्क मी फॉर एक्सप्लिसिट ऑप्ट इन कि yes I want to see ads, otherwise you don't show me ads, you don't use my data for all this.
Okay.
Right? So this clear opt-in should be there for residents. They should have that right. कि
Okay.
you are not giving me the option to choose the app, आप choose कर रहे हो society, but I should have the option to protect my own data.
Right.
So you give me an opt-in option. Without that, you don't show me ads. You don't use my data for anything. Now there may be people, oh I love free product sample. Oh गुड़गांव भाई साहब fantastic, लेके आ जाओ, कल मैं घर पे हूँ, free product sample. ऐसे भी लोग हैं. Let them opt in for
Okay.
it. Isn't it? Why do you assume कि everybody, you know, everybody loves to get a free product sample because of which they will give away all their data?
राइट.
Right? So ये जो चीज़ है, that has to happen.
सो ये एक्ट ऑलरेडी, मतलब इट हैज बीन,
The DPDP Act is very near to
Okay.
being rolled out. In
Right.
fact, a lot of companies, including us, are undergoing DPDP certification
Okay.
so that we keep all these avenues available for our users.
so even we'll try to put details about the act and how you can actually opt out of it in the caption, so the audience can always refer there. Again, 7 lakh cyber crimes complaints in 1 month in India alone. Society has everyone's data. That's a criminal's paradise on a very serious note. How vulnerable are residents besides what you have already told me? इसके अलावा भी any freaky stories that you can share?
See, I don't want to do fear mongering, Chintan, honestly, but ये जो awareness है ना management committees को होना चाहिए. Just like how they protect the funds of the society, they must protect the data of the residents. I have myself heard management committees who say, तो क्या हुआ वो ऐप में advertise, मैं तो YouTube देखता हूँ, उसमें भी ad देखता हूँ, no problem, I like it.
That is the
You
counter-
like it. You are giving your data to YouTube out of your own individual, choice. How can you decide for 5,000 other residents? ये लोग नहीं समझते हैं. You don't have the right to decide for 5,000 other residents कि they are also fine to give all their data. So ये जो चीज़ है, and also I've heard management committees say that सबका data सबके पास है, no big deal. So this kind of relaxed way of treating, आप अपना data relaxed way से treat करो, nobody has a problem. Because only I will suffer if I treat my data privacy in a relaxed way. But doesn't give you the right to do that with so many other residents.
True.
So this sense of responsibility has to come, because kal ko, if an owner sues, I don't think the MCs will be able to fight using society ka funds for this. They will have to personally fight such an allegation. Okay, you have exposed me to cybercrime, right? So this awareness is important amongst management committees.
I think 10% are the people who are okay with that data going outside. 20% would not be okay. और बाकी का जो है ना percentage, उनको पता ही नहीं क्या चल रहा है.
True, exactly.
So this 20% of the people, their main work is to educate those others who don't know what is going through. And I
Yes.
think podcasts like such are the way where people come to know. And the next time we should actually make a systematic plan, a checklist of how to get out of something where the entire, the majority of the people, once they've understood, उसमें ऑप्ट आउट कैसे करना है, उस पे आई थिंक अपन लोग ने फोकस करना चाहिए.
True, very well said.
You call Adda super app, a community ERP. Most society apps are glorified WhatsApp groups. ऐसा मुझे लगता है. Of course, आज के बाद थोड़ा मेरा विजन थोड़ा और चेंज भी हुआ है. Walk me through one day for a society जो अड्डा यूज करके अपना एक पूरा दिन कैसा सिस्टमैटिक कर सकता है.
Okay. Now, Adda is called super app because it has social networking. So it's like a little Facebook in itself. It has billing and communication. So, it's like a little charge bee in itself, which is a software. It has help desk. So it's like a fresh desk, Zendesk in itself, right? Like this, there are many, many chota modules, which are like softwares in themselves. Okay. Why we have to put in all-in-one? Because societies don't have the resources nor manpower to use multiple software. So we had to use all-in-one. मैं आपको एक example देती हूँ जहाँ पे WhatsApp cannot compete with Adda. Okay, so if you live in a mid-size community ना, सबसे अच्छा चीज़ क्या है वो community के बारे में? It's the events. Isn't it?
True.
Like all the functions and events that happen, right?
Holi,
आपका माने अपना 15th August, गणपति, डांडिया, दिवाली,
New Year's
Christmas,
is coming.
Oh, so much, right? Now, I am in one such community जहाँ पे almost every weekend there is an event. Okay, that's so good, so enjoyable for senior citizens, for kids and all, right? There is no way I can be up to date about ये weekend क्या चल रहा है. You understand? क्योंकि जो WhatsApp में डालते हैं मतलब 5 मिनट में गया. You understand? You cannot keep so many things sticky, right? So
मैं
events.
तो नोटिफिकेशन देखना बंद कर दिया. I get मतलब कंफ्यूज हो जाता हूँ.
It's because it's one chat, right? It's not like organized. Okay. अभी आप वही सोसाइटी में अड्डा ऐप देखिए. There is a train called events. Separate, section called events. जहाँ पे with pictures and everything कि हाँ अभी ये Saturday ये है, Sunday को वो है, next year में ये annual day है and all. There is a whole calendar. You click on it, you'll see the calendar. तो आप पूरे मंथ का इवेंट देख रहे हो वहाँ पे, राइट? सो इट इज़ डेडिकेटेड फॉर इवेंट मैनेजमेंट इन द सोसाइटी. आप RSVP भी कर सकते हो, बोलते हो येस आई विल कम, 4 others will come. You can buy tickets. अगर उसके इवेंट का टिकटिंग है, you can even buy tickets right there, right? You tell me how WhatsApp will do it. मार्क जकरबर्ग को पूछो कैसे दोगे आप सोसाइटी के लिए?
जो मेरी साइन कर सकती हो, तू नहीं कर सकता.
नहीं कर सकते हो, है ना? That's one of the things. Then there are many others.
True. मेरा फेवरेट टॉपिक मैनेजमेंट कमिटी. लाइक people they are unpaid volunteers. They do the most thankless job. ठीक है? They manage crores of rupees and they can also face legal financial. अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया तो लीगली भी they can always be मतलब they are liable for it. Today, according to you, what's the biggest challenge they face that nobody talks about? as a
that
managing
legal
committee.
thing what you said, Chintan, that is something that many management committees, their life is destroyed when certain legal things happen because they are not aware कि what they are doing is wrong. I'll give you a recent example. ये जो water treatment plants होता है, right? Let's say sewage treatment plant. There was a law that it can't be cleaned manually. वो आपको machines डाल के clean करना है. You also didn't know, right? So that's called manual, I don't know if it's called scavenging or something, उसका कुछ term है. So basically जो भी आपका water का tank है नीचे sewage treatment वाला, वहाँ पे people should not go manually and clean it because when you are there for a long time, you are inhaling certain harmful gases,
Okay, which
which
is not-
comes as a part of the treatment, right? And without their knowledge, they can faint and all that, and serious issues can happen. Most MCs do not know that. One such community में 2-3 workers went down to clean the place and I think they died. Okay.
Okay.
So what do you think happens now? Obviously, it all comes on the management committee कि you did something against the law which caused their life. And now you can realize what happens to they're just regular owners who go to work every day, who take their kids to school and
It's
all
an
that.
honorary thing. They're just like,
And now every day they're going to court. They are working with their lawyers to keep them on bail so that they're not in jail. This is something that has to be changed in India, where there has to be limitation of liabilities. There has to be directors and officers insurance जैसा होता है. It should be there for management committees. This is something I really feel for. This should not happen to people जिन्होंने मतलब ये लोग कैसे हो गए MC? They came to an AGM. AGM में okay चलो nominate करना है for next year this thing. इन्होंने सोचा ठीक है मैं थोड़ा टाइम निकाल
I'm
सकता
sure वो
हूँ.
बिल्डिंग में अभी किसी को MC बनने का इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं होगा.
Exactly. That will be the situation.
सुसैन, अगर अपन पूरे इंडिया का मार्केट समझे तो आई थिंक सोसाइटी मैनेजमेंट एप्स 8 to 10% हाई एंड सोसाइटीज में यूज होता होगा. 90% अभी तक आई थिंक वो मार्केट को अभी तक किसी ने अभी तक टच नहीं किया है या उन्होंने अभी तक ऑप्ट नहीं किया है. व्हाट आर दे मिसिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू यू?
ये बहुत अच्छा आपने पकड़ा चिंतन, बिकॉज आप सोच लो अगर आज की तारीख पे आप एक फ्रिज खरीदते हो. ओके, फ्रिज का प्राइस कितना होगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा? 2 lakh, let's say, very high end fridge. Okay, you get an app with it. You buy a car, let's say a 40 lakh ka car, you get a app with it. You buy a property, minimum 2-3 crore, 1 crore, right? Do you get it? Does your developer give you an app?
No.
There you go, right? So basically, that one biggest investment expense you're doing in your life, you're not getting the accompanying convenience that should come with it to make the living experience in your property hassle free, right? तो वहाँ पे वो gap है जहाँ पे today the developers in India have not yet woken up to the fact कि ये जो आपने शुरू में बताया कि मैं बना रहा हूँ something, right? It's a result of architecture and everything, but उसमें जो the experience of living, the living experience, the quality of life, उसको कैसे guarantee किया जाए कि it will run smoothly. So today the management committees and all are struggling to find the right software and all that stuff, but a developer knows कि भाई ये next 10 years में ये community को manage करने के लिए क्या क्या problems आएंगे. So they can actually roll out, use one of our softwares right from the beginning for minimum things like complaint management, right? When you move in new to a property, what are the first few issues you have? आपको fit outs करने हैं. For that you may need some approvals. उसके लिए आप भागते रहते हो between your association office or the developer office. उसके बाद आपको आपको कौन यहाँ पे milk delivery करता है, कौन newspaper delivery करता है, all these things, right? I need to find a maid, cook and all those things are there. उसके लिए you need to network with your neighbors or you need to ask the manager of the society, right? So there is so much of communication involved in somebody really starting to enjoy that crores of property that they have gotten in. And there is so much of streamlining of operation that is involved, right? ये जो managers हैं आज की तारीख में जहाँ पे अड्डा नहीं है, how are they managing the complaints that are coming from the residents? आप कोई भी एक मैनेजर से पूछो शाम को, यार तूने आज सारा दिन क्या किया? बोलेगा एक्चुअली बहुत कुछ किया, बहुत लोगों का कंप्लेंट था, सॉल्व कराया, लेकिन अभी याद नहीं है किसका क्या कराया.
रिटर्न में कुछ नहीं मेरे पास.
Nothing. They don't have it because they're so busy running around getting things done. At the end of the month, आप डेवलपर से पूछो कि सर आपके सोसाइटी में कौन से लिफ्ट से सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आता है. दरवाज़ा खुल नहीं रहा है, लाइट में प्रॉब्लम है. He will not know because they are not using the simple thing help desk module that is there in Adda. No, That captures all these things and आपके residents become your eyes and ears. Residents आपको report किए जा रहा है when you give them such an easy way कि just take the Adda app, उसमें genie icon है, उसमें फटाक से picture डाल दो, light is flickering. That's it. That's all. It got reported. You focus on solving it. और आपका क्या data build up हो रहा है, isn't it? In a year, imagine the amount of data you have for the community कि कहाँ पे ज़्यादा focus चाहिए for repair and maintenance.
ट्रू. इससे एक इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग मेरे दिमाग में ये भी आता है, बहुत लोग होते हैं यार हम लोग रिपोर्ट करते हैं पर मेरी कोई सुनता नहीं है. आई थिंक द ब्यूटी इज इफ इट इज एक्चुअली डॉक्यूमेंटेड.
एग्जैक्टली.
सो इट मेक्स लाइफ.
तो मैं ना क्या बोलती हूँ चिंतन, मोदी जी को मैं बोलती हूँ ओके कि मोदी जी आप अड्डा का हेल्प डेस्क है ना पूरा इंडिया में रोल आउट कर दो. क्या करने का, अभी हर एक रास्ते पे ना 500 मीटर्स में QR कोड डालना है. ओके अभी रेसिडेंट, अभी सिटीजन वॉक कर रहा है फुटपाथ पे, कहीं पे टाइल टूट गया है. आज हम लोग क्या करते हैं, अरे टूट गया बट क्या करूँ, मैं क्या करूँ, कहाँ पे रिपोर्ट, मेरे को आइडिया ही नहीं है.
Right.
अभी मैं सामने जाती हूँ, मुझे दिखता है QR कोड, एनी इशू ऑन दिस रोड रिपोर्ट हियर, मोदी जी विल गेट इट सॉल्व्ड. ओके अभी मैं क्या करूँगी, आई विल टेक दैट QR कोड, वहाँ पे GPS लोकेशन कैप्चर हो गया, मैंने पिक्चर डाल दिया, यहाँ पे टाइल, मेरा काम हो गया. ओके अभी नाउ माई म्यूनिसिपैलिटी विल गेट इट फिक्स्ड एंड मेरे को नोटिफिकेशन आ गया कि थैंक यू सैन फॉर रिपोर्टिंग इट, ये रहा आपका बिफोर आफ्टर पिक्चर. What a happy Indian I will be.
I think BMC elections are very due. If the Mumbai Municipal Corporation, if you are interested, I can get you in touch with San. She can 100% help us with this. खाली servers अपने को एकदम मतलब we'll have to. क्योंकि Mumbai we have a lot of things happening everywhere.
I don't think those are problems at all. It's just that intent to get it done. है ना?
चलो, so after the podcast I'm going to do this. I'm going to actually share this clip with our few people in BMC and let's see if it works out. So San, I was going through all the amazing features that Adda offers: AI invoice extractor, community WhatsApp integration, online ballots, EV charging management, the current features. इसमें से आपका फेवरेट आपको कौन सा लगता है कि दिस इज द बेस्ट फीचर जो खाली आपके पास है?
ओके तो अभी तो ऑब्वियसली AI इज द इन थिंग राइट.
Yeah.
तो हमने जब देखा कि यार AI कहाँ पे यूज़ करे, कहाँ पे रियली यूज़ होगा राइट. सो दिस वाज अ पर्सनल विश लिस्ट आई हैड. देखिए मेरे घर में जब कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है ओके लाइक ओके किचन का टैप इज ड्रिपिंग. नाउ माई मॉम इन लॉ इज द CEO ऑफ द हाउस, शी रन्स द हाउस, हाउएवर शी स्पीक्स ओनली तमिल. तो अगर ये रिपोर्ट करना होगा अड्डा पे, आई हैव टू रिपोर्ट इट बिकॉज आई हैव टू टाइप इन इंग्लिश. ओके किचन टैप इज ये करना है. सो हमने सोचा यार हाउ कैन आई गेट माई मदर इन लॉ टू डू दिस, शी'd लव टू डू इट बाय हरसेल्फ ओके लेकिन शी इज नॉट गोना टाइप इन इंग्लिश. तो हमने कहा अभी AI है, अभी ट्रांसलेशन डालते हैं, वॉइस डालते हैं. ओके सो वी जस्ट डिड दैट कि यू गो टू अड्डा हेल्प डेस्क, यू होल्ड द माइक, यू से इन तमिल ओके हंगे टैप ड्रिप आगदपा वंद फिक्स पनीरिंग ओके एंड दैट्स इट. इट विल ट्रांसलेट इन इंग्लिश, it will go in English transcribe and the audio will go, right? This became such a hit. Okay, residents loved it because most homes are like this. जहाँ पे कि जो घर खरीदता है वो अपने काम में बिजी है, वो एक्चुअली घर पे ज़्यादा रहता नहीं है.
True.
जो घर पे रहते हैं those are typically their parents and other people who are not very English savvy. Okay, so they just got that freedom. कि कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है आई कैन रिपोर्ट टू द सोसाइटी इन माई ओन लैंग्वेज.
कितनी लैंग्वेजेस मतलब है इसमें?
आई डोंट नो, इट हैज AI राइट, प्रीटी मच एनी लैंग्वेज में बात कर लो आप राइट. दिस बिकेम सच अ ग्रेट हिट. वी गॉट ग्रेट कुडोज फ्रॉम अ सीनियर लिविंग कम्युनिटी.
Wow.
कि earlier our seniors were not, they were calling and all that stuff, but now they're using the app usage बहुत बढ़ गया because of this. Okay, so हमने सोचा था कि ये the simplest use of AI you can think of, right? But it happened to be the most useful use of AI in our context. So till date, that's my favorite feature.
The AI thing, super. You just won the gold at the World Realty Congress in December 2024. You have integrated with Dubai's government system. You partnered with AWS. From the outside, Adda looks like it has made it. But what's the current reality? आपको क्या लगता है कुछ भी अभी भी मिसिंग है आज के तारीख में?
This is a journey, right? And there's no end to it. And in India itself, I'm sure a lot of your viewers may not have heard of Adda earlier, right? So definitely, we are not in any that sense ki, oh, hum to we are arrived. far from it, right? It so happened we got lucky with Dubai because the time when we went to Dubai was looking for softwares other than what it already had. We got lucky that, the Dubai government has such a nice policy of working with other private softwares. They give out so many good APIs with which we can integrate quite easily. And they encourage that transparency of data that should happen right from every society to the government portal. So I think luck has played a lot of part, and we've been able to keep our stamina over the last 16 years to survive lots of ups and downs and competition. But of course, there's a long way to go.
Superb. One last question in this particular segment. We have spoken about some rules in Dubai which are really strict with society management. ऐसी कोई ऐसी चीज वहां पे हो या अब्रॉड में हो जो इंडिया में मिसिंग है?
See, each country has their unique aspects, right? So I won't say कि ऐसी कुछ चीज जो
होनी चाहिए according to you, मतलब ऐसा कोई
होनी
रूल आ गया?
I wouldn't say होनी चाहिए. There are things that I admire in each country. So for example, in Dubai, government has standardized the whole accounting of communities, right? Like ये जो chart of accounts होता है, like what will you call electricity bill, right? That is uniform across all societies because that is what is reported to the government, okay? So that is something amazing they have done because आज Dubai government knows, they have data कि what is a typical common area electricity bill across all societies. No other country can give you this. No other country can give you this other than, in Dubai.
True.
Because they have standardized at the source of the data capture. So that is something really admirable what Dubai has done. USA, right? USA में they have made a science of predicting the long-term maintenance का कितना fund होना चाहिए. They do something called reserve study, right? Which is very scientifically done, knowing कि आपके क्या क्या ऐसा आपका transformer, generator, elevator, इनका कितने साल में you will need repair, major repair, कितने साल में you will need to replace it, things like that, right? They do it by each asset.
FDs को आप ऐसे बढ़ाते जाओ मतलब
Exactly. तो वो पूरा planned way में है. हम यहाँ पे थोड़ा assumption पे चलते हैं इंडिया में, right? So these are probably two things that that are really good in these countries. India में, of course, the way that there must be about 300,000 societies in India. Each of them elects management committee using proper voting election, right? That is something which is a reflection of our country level democracy जो voting होता है, right?
True.
So that is something
I think the highest number होगा पूरे world में अगर of course China would be there.
No, but China में voting, it's not a democracy, right? So that is very unique in India that you have to appreciate.